Okay, so today my wife and I are gonna destroy this Lasko box fan. So, as you can see, there's a blade damage right there and there. So, and then some right here. So, yeah. Hello, Rachel. What did you find?
So here's the hatchet. Careful, it's a real hatchet.
Oh my goodness.
And my shorts.
Okay. Wow. All right.
I'll be right back.
All right. Sounds good. I stopped rolling, but I think it just destroyed itself. It tipped over and it lost part of the blade. No wonder I'm just trying. Yeah, look at that. Oh my goodness.
This one.
All right. Rachel's got her bow and arrow. She's gonna shoot this.
Oh yeah!
Wait, did you disable it?
That's right!
No! Please. Oh wait, okay, you didn't. You just wedged it in there. Oh my goodness! Try to hit the blades. You got the blades pretty good. Oh no. Yeah, this isn't gonna work. That log is about to fall out from. Oh, it's killing itself. Oh my goodness, this thing is pathetic. It's breaking. Oh, Rachel, careful. Remember, I'm here.
Oh, I'm sorry, you're right.
Okay, I'm gonna throw this weight at it. I'm tired of this. 1, 2. I'm filming it. Okay. Here we go. It went perfectly. Here, I'm gonna help you, Boomer. Here, like that. See it?
Okay.
It's not. I turned it off.
Okay, good. That means I can shoot the motor again.
All right, so I'm gonna throw this weight. Oh, I think I killed it.
You did.
I think I killed it. Oh wait, no I didn't. It's still alive.
Okay, now I get to shoot it.
Yeah, shoot it. Did it go directly through it?
Uh-huh.
Wait, it's still alive? How is it still alive? It's the Frankenstein fan. Okay, hold on. Watch out. I'm gonna kill it. I think that did it. Bring it inside. It's raining way too hard to continue. So we're gonna head inside now.